Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with y'all how I sell my clothes online. I use Mercari, but I also use Instagram, so stay tuned to find out all the hacks, how to organize it, and you can sell your clothes too and make some extra change. Like Mary Koto says, keep things that bring you joy. Okay guys, so to start off, we're going to open up a Google spreadsheet. Let's go ahead and call this clothes for sale. We're going to want to keep a hold of the inventory name, the size of the product, the brand, and also the condition that it is in. All my clothes, so right here I have a couple of the first things I will be modeling, and then my trusty setup. This is it. This is a great tripod. I got it from Amazon for $20, and I'll put the link below. And then it actually came with this clicker, so when I click, it takes photos. You can see that right there. It's super awesome. So I just do this. I stand right here and I take the photo, and then let's look at the photo. It comes out like that, and there we go, our first photo for our first product. Make the outfits cute. Like, don't just throw on this shirt with some leggings. Like, nobody, like, you gotta think about the appearance of how it looks. And just a reminder, I am going in and I'm writing all of this down so I don't have to go back into the inventory later and make sure I have the sizes right. So, reminder. You know what? Sex sells. I started around 3 o'clock. It's 4:30 right now. Striped white day dress. This is a size small, I think. It's from Forever 21, and the material is okay. So that concludes the process of today. We're just modeling and recording what we have into an Excel sheet, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I edit it on Canva to post on Instagram, and then how I post it on Mercari. And just one more thing. I did post on Instagram on my story like a little teaser that I'm gonna be selling clothes this week, and I already have one person that asked me to save her clothes. So that's also another great tip is to that helps you. It gets the people going. Yeah, it's just great. You know, you let them know, hey, I'm selling this week. Stay tuned, stay aware. So it's just like you have that engagement with the audience, with your potential audience and your potential buyers. So, hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to be showing you how to post the photos on Mercari. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's loading on me, and then here we go. So I'm going to go to my library of photos. And then let's say I pick this one. I like this one as the first photo. And then my second photo, I'll let it be this. My third photo can be that. And then my fourth photo, just for fun, I'm gonna add that in there. The more the merrier. Okay, give me a weird name, but that's not the name I wanna give it. I'm gonna give it the name of white square neck or white halter top. This halter top has a beautiful floral. Okay, so you can go ahead and see what I'm writing there. I usually like to do a concept of storytelling when I describe my product, you know, give them ideas of what they can wear it for, maybe like a feeling that this clothing can give. So I try to include that in the description. So the brand is Forever 21, F21. Condition, I would say it's I want to say it's good, but then also, you know how you can just tell the material's a little bit aged. So I'm gonna go ahead and be truthful and put fair, because trust me, you just want to be as truthful as you can. The size, it is a let's go ahead and look at my spreadsheet. The size is in extra small, and then the color is white. Ships from, and then I'm gonna put shipping on me, yes, and then I'm gonna put ship on your own, because I know using PayPal it's only gonna cost about $2 to ship this because it is very light and inexpensive. So I'm gonna put it at $9 because that's the recommended price they give me, and that leaves me about a good amount of profit considering the amount that Mercari is gonna take, and then what I'm gonna pay to ship it with PayPal, not USPS, because it is a big difference when you ship with PayPal versus when you ship with USPS, and versus when you ship with Mercari. So I'm gonna put it like that, and there we go, it's listed and success. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to Canva, because 2 streams of opportunity is better than 1. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead by starting off and opening Canva. This is my previous one that I've used for this last week that I sold my clothes, but I'll go ahead and pick a new one. We go ahead and we click Instagram stories. We look through one that sticks out to us. This pink one looks nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that one. So I like the theme of it, and then here you can see a whole collection of this theme that you can pick and choose from, just to stay, because you do want to stay consistent. And now let's pick our product. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my first product, which is these shorts, and I want to make it a goal to post the front and the back of the product, just so the viewer can get a full 360 of it. And now let's click another one for our next product, keeping it within the same theme. And then I'll go ahead and show off this shirt. And because this shirt does have a pretty detailed sleeve, I'm going to make it a thing to show the side of it, the full angle of the side and back, and also the front. And that's how I edit it on Canva. You want to let the people know whether you're doing pickup, dropping things off, or if you want to do shipping. I offer all 3 services. You know, a lot of the people that follow me on Instagram are local. A lot of the people that buy from Mercari are from like Chicago, Nebraska. You know, they're from all over the country on Mercari. On Instagram, they're usually down the block. So to post this on Instagram, we're just gonna go ahead and put in the name of the top. This is a milkmaid top. We're gonna include the price. I'll sell it for this much. And then we also want to include the size. And then that's it. And then you post it on your story and you're good to go. Also, as for shipping, I do recommend you use PayPal instead of USPS or Mercari shipping, because you do save a lot of money in the long run. I know some people just choose to do Mercari because it is a lot easier. I do it when I'm maybe in a rush or maybe I didn't notice. I definitely recommend you to always use PayPal because it is a big difference. Small difference, but big difference. Small differences add up to a big difference. But I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna go ahead and post a video step by step on how I ship my things in the most cost efficient way using PayPal. So stay tuned for that video.